If you're trying to start your first agency, there's a trap waiting for you and almost nobody warns you about it before you walk right into it. It looks like this. You finally get your first client, you do the work, you get paid, life is good. But then that money is gone and you're right back to where you started, looking for the next one and having to start all over from scratch again. And here's the part that nobody tells you when you're just getting started. The agency owners who get to 5K a month, then 10K a month, and then way beyond that aren't working harder than you're about to. A lot of them are working less. They just figured out early how to get paid every single month for work they only did one time. Now, sadly, I learned this way later than I should have. My first agency was completely project-based. Every client was a 3-month engagement worth 5 to 10 grand. And the day the project wrapped up, my income wrapped up right alongside it. I remember sitting at my desk on a Friday afternoon back in 2018, having just delivered and completed a massive project. But instead of feeling good, I just felt this sinking feeling in my stomach because I knew that come Monday morning, I was gonna have to start the whole client getting process all over again from zero. And that is not a business. That is freelancing, but with extra anxiety. Now, fortunately, that Friday was the day it finally clicked for me that I'd been building the wrong thing the entire time. Since then, I've built 3 different 7-figure agencies, worked with over 1,500 small businesses, run thousands of campaigns, and today I do it all as a 1-person agency with 0 employees. So in this video, I'm gonna show you the exact service to start with for your very first client, why local businesses happily pay $297 to $497 a month for it, and the one setup rule that turns a 10-minute install into recurring income that hits your bank account every single month. And I'm not gonna make you wait until the end of the video to spill the beans on what service I'm referencing here, because you clicked here to find out what it is. So here it is. The easiest thing to sell your first client isn't a website, it isn't ads, and it isn't some giant marketing package that you'd have no idea how to deliver anyway. Instead, it's just one tiny system that almost every local business desperately needs, and almost none of them have set up. Automated review requests. Now stick with me, because once you understand why this one little service works, you'll see why it beats almost everything else that you could sell to a first client. Here though is how most beginners get this wrong from day one. Most go looking for one-time projects because that's what makes sense to them. Build a thing, get paid for the thing, then move on to find the next thing. The trouble is though, the project might end, but that client's problems don't. That business still needs more reviews next month. They still need their phone answered next week. They still need leads coming in tomorrow. So they either hire somebody else to keep it going, or they hire you back for another project. Either way, you're right back at zero, hunting again. This is because marketing is best delivered as an ongoing service. Think of it kind of like going to the gym or taking vitamins. You don't go to the gym one time and stay healthy for the rest of your life. I mean, it'd be sweet if it worked out that way, but most things don't. In reality, you keep showing up or the results stop showing up. Now, look at what review requests do instead. You set up one system that automatically asks every one of your client's customers for a Google review after their job is done. You don't have to manually type up and send those messages. The system does it for you, automatically, every day on the client's behalf. Forever, or as long as they keep paying you, which is an important point, but more on that later. So the client isn't paying you for a one-time event anymore. They're paying you to keep the system running. You might want to hear that part one more time, because this one sentence is the entire business model. Project work gets paid once. Running the system gets paid every month. And the math on that changes everything, even right from client number 1, but let me show you what I mean. When you sell a one-time project for, say, $3,000, you make $3,000. But you only make $3,000 one time. And then you've got to go out there and find another client just to make money again. But when you install a $300 a month review system instead, that one client makes $3,600 in the first year alone, $7,200 by the end of year 2, $10,800 by the end of year 3, and so on, all from that same client without you ever doing the work again. Now, most beginners look at that $300 a month and think, wait, $300 is way less than $3,000. And yes, my friend, you are correct, but that's just in month 1. By month 10, you're ahead, and by month 12, you've surpassed it. And by year 3, you're not even playing the same game anymore. And here's why that matters for you today, especially if you're sitting at anything less than 5 clients right now. You don't need a roster of 50 different businesses to build a real income. All you need is just a small handful of clients who never stop paying you. And honestly, the first time you wake up on the first of the month and see that money has already hit your account before you've even opened your laptop, something inside shifts how you see this whole thing, because you're not starting from zero anymore. You're already starting to compound your recurring revenue. Now, here's why a business will gladly pay you month after month for this, and it's the part that makes the whole thing click. Think of it like installing a security camera. The client doesn't pay you because it took you a few hours to mount the camera to the wall. They pay you because every single night after that, it's watching the building for them while they sleep. Well, that's exactly what this review system is. You install it one time, and every day after that, it's out there protecting their reputation, pulling in new reviews without either of you having to lift a finger. That is what they're actually paying for. Not your setup, but this, the fact that reviews are stacking up month after month, their ratings are climbing, and all of it is running on its own in the background. Bit of a side note here, but your install also has one advantage over the security camera, in fact that it never wears out and it never needs replacing. Pretty much every other service business out there requires ongoing effort and maintenance, from the lawn guy who's got to keep coming back every week to cut the same grass, to the window washer who's got to keep cleaning the same dirty windows. But you get to set this up one time from a laptop at your kitchen table, and it just keeps producing reviews every single day after that. Which brings me to the part that honestly sounds a little too good to be true. The thing the client happily pays you for every month takes about as long to set up as making a sandwich. But I know, that sounds ridiculous. So let me actually show you, because when you're new, seeing this is what makes you believe that you can do it too. This is the software I use. It's called High Level, and this is the live dashboard. Now, the very first time you open something like this, I can pretty much tell you exactly what's going to happen, because it's what happened to me. You open it up, you see all these tabs and menus, and your brain just goes, nope, and you shut it down and walk away. So let me give you some good news right off the bat here. You can safely ignore almost everything on this screen. Like legit, 90% of this, just pretend that it doesn't exist. Because for this service, you only ever touch one tab. Over here on the left, you click Reputation. That's it. That's the whole neighborhood you're working in. Inside there, the whole thing is just a simple automation that fires the moment a job is marked as complete. When a customer's job is done, the system waits a bit, then it sends them a friendly text asking for a review with a direct link to the client's Google profile. If they don't leave one, it gives a gentle nudge a couple days later. That's it, just 3 short messages, not 30, not 300, just 3. And see this little piece right here? That automatically swaps in each customer's real first name. So to them, it reads like a normal personal text from the business they just hired, not a mass advertising blast going out to everyone. And that part makes a huge difference. Now, sadly, most people way overcomplicate that message. So please don't do that. Instead, here is the exact one to use. Word for word, just say this. Hi, contact first name. Thanks for choosing business name. If you have 30 seconds, would you mind leaving us a quick review? It really helps us out. That's it. You set up the messages once, you hit save, and it runs from there. And by the way, if High Level ever feels like too much when you're brand new, you could technically do a version of this manually without needing any software at all. Just manually text every customer or review link after every job, set up a bunch of reminders using your phone or your calendar. I mean, there is a way here. The tool just does it automatically, so you never have to remember. And it makes sure that the results keep coming in week after week and month after month. Now, the total setup time on that first client is about 10 minutes, maybe 15 to 20 minutes tops the first time you ever do it. But we got to talk about this real quick, because I need to handle that 10-minute thing carefully, because it cuts both ways. This is the reason that this offer is so easy to deliver, but it's also the reason that your brain is about to try to talk you out of charging any money at all for it. Well, maybe not you, but there are people out there who are going to think, what if the client figures out that it only took me 10 minutes? What if they cancel? What if they feel like I'm overcharging? Well, here's what I wish someone had told me years ago, before my first client. That moment that you're afraid of, where the client calls you out for not really working hard enough, basically never happens. This is because the client isn't buying your 10 minutes. They're not paying for your time here. What they're paying for is every review that comes in over the next year that they would have never gotten on their own. Yes, the setup is simple, but what the simple setup produces, which is a steady stream of new reviews every month that they never get on their own, well, that's worth real money. That's what they're paying for. And what I can confidently tell you after more than a decade of doing this and working with more than 1,500 different small businesses is that they are never, ever going to set this up themselves. They have a business to run, customers and staff, and 100 fires to put out. The last thing the business owner wants to do at 7 p.m. on a Tuesday night is figure out how to connect their Google profile to a review tool. They don't want to know how it works. They just want it to keep working. And once it's installed and the reviews start coming in, they almost never cancel, because canceling means going back to no system and no new reviews and their ranking sliding back down. Let me run the math one more time, because this is the part that should change how you see your first year. Say you sign just 5 clients over your first several months, a realistic beginner pace at $300 a month. That's $1,500 a month in recurring revenue for under an hour of total setup work. Get to 10 of those clients and you're at $3,000 a month. That's just basic math. But here's where it gets really interesting, and this is the part that nobody shows beginners. That first client you signed for the review system, they don't have to stay a $300 a month client forever, because once that review system has been running for a couple months and they can see the reviews coming in, something happens. Now, they trust you. You're the person who made that work. So when they mention that they keep missing calls from new customers or they wish they could capture more leads from their website, you're already standing there as the obvious person to fix it. So you add a second system, say an AI receptionist that answers the phone automatically when they miss a call. Well, that's another $397 a month. Then a few months later, their website looks dated next to all those new reviews, and you build them a simple one that actually converts, using a pre-built template or vibe coding it, of course, because nobody's expecting you to learn how to code here, and let's call that $497 a month. Now look at what just happened. That same client, the one that you started charging just $297 a month for, well, now they're paying you around $1,191 a month. And every single piece of that got added because of the first system that you installed. Well, that earned their trust first. That's the whole reason starting with reviews matters so much. It's not just the easiest service to sell. More importantly, it's the front door to everything else that same client will eventually buy from you. And everything I just walked you through, the review automation, the message templates, the whole setup, even the additional services like the AI receptionist and the website templates, all of that is already built and waiting inside High Level. If you want to use the exact setup I just showed you, the link's in the description below this video. That's going to give you an extended free trial plus my full agency OS. That's the pre-built review automation, the missed call system, the customer message templates, and the dashboard layouts, all of it ready to import into your own account with just one click. This way you're not starting at a blank screen wondering where to begin. You're starting with the same setup that's running in over thousands of agencies right now. So tap the link below the video, get instant access. Okay, let's keep going, because before you run off and do this, I want to give you 3 important warnings, because these are the 3 places I watch new agency owners trip up on their first couple of clients pretty much every single time. Warning number 1. You're going to feel the urge to charge less than $297 a month because you're new and the work just doesn't feel like it justifies the price. Well, that right there is the most common beginner trap there is. So remember, the price isn't for the work. The price is for the result. The reviews coming in, the ranking climbing, the phone ringing more. You charge for the outcome, not for the few minutes that it took to install. Warning number 2. You're going to be tempted to do more for that first client to feel like you're really earning that money. Again, don't do that. Not because wanting to do a good job and provide an exceptional service is wrong, but because the entire point of this entire model is that the system does the work, not you. The minute you start logging in every day and manually checking it and manually replying to reviews for them, you've turned your recurring revenue right back into a job. Remember, it runs without you. Gotta let it. Warning number 3. I just showed you how one client can grow into almost $1,200 a month. So now you're going to be tempted to want to stack all 3 services on that first client right from week 1. Don't do that either. You add the second service after the first one has shown visible results, not before. For your first 60 to 90 days with a client, your only job is to keep that first system running cleanly. Stacking a second service before the first one has proven itself is the fastest way I know to lose a client that you just worked so hard to land. So get that first system running cleanly. And if you want the whole thing already built so you can just copy and paste it into your account, I'm talking about the review automation, the templates, all of it ready to import in just one click. The extended free trial and my full agency OS are in the link below this video. Set up your account and you'll have everything I just showed you waiting inside. But getting the system ready is only half of it, because once you've got that first client on a recurring service and it's paying you without you having to touch it, a new question shows up almost immediately. How do you actually find and sign that first client in the first place? I mean, the best service in the world doesn't matter if you don't have anyone to install it for. Well, that's why I've linked up a free masterclass right here that's going to walk you through the entire thing, including how to pick the right niche, how to sign your first client, and how to scale this into a real agency paying you $10K a month or more, all as a one-person founder. So feel free to tap or click that now, and I'll see you in there in just a second.